9 personal year. Now is the time to put an end to all lingering relationships, affairs, or business that have not proved profitable up until now. The 9 cycle signals the last roundup and requires that you put the past behind you and prepare for a whole new beginning as your 1 year rolls around once again next year. Put your house in order, so to speak, and you can be sure that your next 9 years will be profitable ones. To continue to hang onto the impossible or unprofitable is to maintain a nagging virus that never lets you feel completely well. Whatever you have in the works, business-wise or personally, bring them to a head and either secure them or eliminate them. This is not to be construed as cruelty, for it can be done in a kind manner, but do it you must, no matter how hard it might be. You may find you are bored with hobbies or sports that you have always enjoyed previously, or people you have spent a lot of time with suddenly seem to bore you or aggravate you over mere trivialities. When this occurs, cease any further participation, for it is the power of the 9 that is cleaning house. Some people have a way of draining one of spirit as well as of money and cannot be allowed to intrude in your life. The time to exercise such leeches could be no better, or you will be plagued by them throughout the forthcoming 9-month cycle. Your health comes in for scrutiny this year. Have you been neglecting certain nagging pain or skipping physical and dental checkups? If so, get at it and start the 1 year with a clean bill of health. You will be pleased you did, and you will need all your faculties intact for your next cycle of productivity if you are to accomplish anything. When you have set everything else straight in your life, set about a subtle campaign of self-promotion. Use all your charm and talent to impress your superiors and the romantic interests at hand, spouses included. With such a fine line between positivity and negativity this year, you could well fritter away your time and energies on all the wrong pursuits, and that would do you great disharm. 9 is a difficult number in that respect, and it takes keen judgment and discrimination to determine where to concentrate your efforts and on which objects of affection. Ask no quarter and give no quarter. Be definite of opinion and firm in manner. Let no one deter you from your course of action. Once you have decided what must be discarded, let no one intercede. You alone must follow your destiny, and therefore must clear the path of what you know to be obstacles for you.